Hey Skinnies, Hollywood. Now, pimento cheese is great. I know you've all been eating it, but it's best friends with jalapeno. And today we're making jalapeno poppers two ways. First way that you're looking at is with a beautiful seasoned crumb, which we're going to supply the recipe for you. The other one is bacon wrapped. So let's show you how you take the humble jalapeno and turn it into a Hollywood jalapeno popper. All you got to do is grab this little jalapeno here, get a nice sharp knife, try and find the fattest part of him, slicing in one motion right down the center, right through the stem, and you have him in two halves. Perfect. Now, we don't want those seeds in it. It's a little bit hot and heavy. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a spoon, doesn't really matter what you're going to use, and what I like to do is knock this center out, put a little slice down there, turn it around, starting from that end piece, slide it in, making sure I don't punch a hole in it, and then just running the knife down. And it all comes out in one hit. If you can see, I've got a little bit of that pith there. Give it a little bit of a scrape, fiddle it around, and then just scrape out all of those seeds. It's okay that you give them a wash if you want to make sure you get them all off. And once it's hulled out, she's ready to go. We've got our little jalapeno canoe. All right, from here, all I'm going to do is grab a little bit of that beautiful pimento cheese. I like to top it up on a spoon, starting from the edge, and just slide it in. You can see there, about a tablespoon fills up the average jalapeno, and it's perfect. Next, what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to choose whether I put my crumb on it, or in this case, I've got a few already crumbed. I'm going to do one bacon wrapped. So grabbing a strip of streaky bacon, I like to cut it into strips to make it a little bit easier for myself. Now this is where it gets a little bit fiddly, but you just start with the thumb press in the center, wrap it over, cinch him in place, and et voila, one perfectly wrapped jalapeno popper. Then just using a little bit of the seasoning, give it a little bit of a sprinkle and a dust. This is both a sweet and savory sort of sprinkle. So it's really going to offset that pimento cheese flavor, and these jalapenos at this time of year are perfectly mild and not too spicy. Lay them out on the rack, and I'm going to continue till that's done. Now let's see what these things look like when they come out of the smoker.